Hello, I will now present you the SAF project. In this video, I will show you how it works on the coding aspect, and then I will make some demonstration to show you the implementation of this application. So to make it easier to develop in the future, I split the main folder, the interface, in two packages, application and GUI package. Just a few words about it. Distributed feature extraction is another package which is used to encode and decode over ASN, and I won't talk about it in this video. So as you can see, you have here the application package and here the GUI package. So in the GUI package you have all the design of our application, and if you want to have new functionalities or change few stuff about the logical programming of this application, I did it that you can just modify these classes. So it's really easy to have new functionality. For example, if you want to have a new command, you just have to add another case in the switch case and to provide what you need. So it's really interesting in that case because it's really fast to implement new functionality for the future. To run the application, I created the main class. So in this main class you just run the application, and what's interesting, I also tried to make it work on different OS such as Windows or Mac. I'm just using Linux, and to make it work with different OS, you just have to change those absolute paths which are different on every OS according to the folder I did, Windows Mac compatibility.txt, which is in the report. So to make the application work, you have to run twice the main window. So once first as a host, and on the second time as a guest. So assume you have two computers. One computer is connected as a host, is the computer where you want to take the data and store every data in a database, and the second one is the guest computer where you want to query the host. So what's interesting in the implementation I've done is that every data are queried from the guest to the host, which received the information, and then he sends back the result to the guest. In that case it's good because you can have all the database and all the material on the host side, and you can have non-redundant function so that the guest is really light, it doesn't have any problem with the database, and it just receives the information which can be then treated by other applications, for example. So host and guest are now on the computer. I will focus on the guest, which is the most important. So I will now show you the implementation I've done. So all the implementation can be seen typing help in the console. So when you type help, you can see that there are a lot of applications which are now available. So in this project we want to compare a reference picture with other image. So to change your reference picture, which is called image0.png, you just have to take a photo, and now you are changing the image to compare. And you can also have new image in your database, so you just have to type ref to make it. So now you can see that I have a nice picture appearing, So it will be another image we will compare. So if you now type help, you can see that I've implemented some other functionalities. So you can, for example, delete a picture. So you just put delete and number as it's explained. And for example, if I want to delete image number 4, I just put delete 4. And image 4 has been deleted and every name has been replaced. Then you can see that now I only have 8 pictures. So you can of course see the size of your database, and you can then display some image, for example, if because the database is supposed to be on the host side, so as a guest you don't know, you don't have access to this database, so you can, for example, display image 0 to see your reference picture, and you can see me on the reference picture. Other functionality, so you can then use the sort function, which has been done in CPP last time I showed you. So you can sort, and it will compare every image, and you can see that the 2 images that best fit with image 0 are image 7 and 8. So you can see that those 2 images, those 2 images are the closest, and it seems to work pretty well. I also correct a lot of bugs and try to make it work as good as possible. So for example, if you display an image that doesn't exist, you will have some message telling you that it doesn't work. So I did it for every function. So thank you for listening, and thank you for listening.